Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can install and use OpenAI Codex in Antigravity. First of all, you need to open Antigravity, and on the left side you will see this extensions option. So you need to click on extensions, and here we are going to search for Codex. So here you will see a lot of codecs here. So you need to look for this codex with OpenAI. So you need to click here install, then click here trust publisher and install. So it will start installing codex in Antigravity. So here you can see Codex is installed. So once Codex is installed, you will see this Codex icon at the top. So right now, let me just open this folder over here. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folders. So we're going to create a folder over here. So let's say the folder name will be codex-anti. So I'll just select this folder, then click here select folder. So it will open this folder over here. So right now we're going to open the codex interface. So for it, let me just click on extension, and I'm going to search over here codex. And here you can see once we click on codex, on the at the top we'll see this codex icon. So I'm going to click on this icon, so it will open the codex chat option over here on the right side. So now we can just close this, and what we need to do first is that we just need to click here next. Just keep clicking on next. So here it will show you the sign in with ChatGPT option. So you just need to click here sign in with ChatGPT, and I'm just going to click here open. So it will open in the browser. So from here I'm going to log in with my account. So just choose your Google account and click here continue. So there you can see sign in to Codex. So right now we can just go back to our Antigravity, and there you can see we are logged in. So now we can just give a prompt, and Codex will build a website for us. So here you can see plus icon. If you just click on plus icon, you can upload image and file and tell Codex to build a similar website like the image or maybe the description of the file. Okay. So here you can see full access. So I'll suggest you to choose this option full access. This will save a lot of time and hassle for you, because Codex will automatically approve some permission for you. Okay, and here you will see a lot of model. So here you can choose any of the model you want to use. I think GPT 5.5 is really good, and here you can choose the reasoning light, medium, high, ultra high, but be careful, because if you choose high, extra high, then it will consume a lot of token. Okay, so right now I'm just going to give a simple prompt. So I'll just give the simple prompt that I want to build a simple website for popular cartoon character using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I'm going to click send. So right now Codex will read the prompt, and based on the prompt it will create a project for us. So here you can see Codex has built a website for us. So we can even tell Codex to run the project for us, and Codex will run the project. So here you can see Codex has given us a link. So I just need to copy this link and copy any browser, paste it over here and press enter. So there you can see it created a people design. So yeah, this is how you can install Codex and use it in Antigravity.